a Galaxy S23. This device came in the color called cream. It is more like the beige color on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is closer to gold, but it is not quite a gold color. Let's begin this unboxing by cutting the duct tape on the back of this box. I chose the cream color because it is very close to the one that I have on the Z Fold 4, and this is the new packaging for the S23. You can see on the S23 the camera ring matched the color of the back. That is what everybody is saying, but I think it matched more the color of the side of the device. The side of the device is the same color. It is a kind of light gold color, and that matched perfectly with the camera rings. As you can see, this is a beautiful device and it is very similar to the S22, but the difference here is the back. The back is a single piece glass with the camera ring attached on it. I think this is clearly the way to go because a single glass back with the camera attached on it without the aluminum piece on the S22 and the S21 is the best way to go. We cannot just resume this device being just a back difference with the S22 and the S21 because this has the new Snapdragon Gen 2 and this is the best processor that Samsung has put inside their device in a long time. By going with this SoC, the Samsung S23 has solved all the issues that we previously had on the S22. The device that I have on the screen is a 256 gigs of memory and 8 gigs of RAM. This is plenty enough for everything that you need to do on your daily life. The battery of this device stayed approximately the same size, but it should give you more screen time on your daily activity thanks to the new Snapdragon Gen 2. Holding this device is very comfortable. It is shorter in length than the S21 that I have currently. So that means that compared to the S21, the screen size has decreased slightly, but this makes this device more comfortable to hold with one hand and use in one hand operation. I'm talking more about the S21 because obviously people who have the S21 are going to try to upgrade the device to this S23. The S22 is very close and you might want to upgrade from the S22 to the S23, but I think S21 is the way to go. You should upgrade if you have a S21. It is going to be a better experience overall for you. There is no charger inside the box, only the USB cable.